Taking off the old light. Hey. There we go. Here's the new one. It's sleek, it's small, and it's most importantly, it's LED. Still have to wire that light, of course. I just need to plug these holes up. I'm good. Got the original sign here. I'm gonna remount it. Yeah, I'm gonna need to drill small holes for this. Instead of being on the wood panel down below that I ripped out, it's now here. Time to change out this, and so I can put a Montana required light on the back. Let's do that next. I'm guessing this is like the other side where there's something under here. Of course, they gotta make it as big of a pain as possible to remove anything on this boat. Literally every single thing I've tried to remove. It's been so annoying. All right, got the old one off there. Ended up drilling out a couple screws. They're so stripped. This is the new one. Hopefully it fits. All right, doesn't fit. Of course not. Why would anything be easy, right? It's a little more taken away, it looks like. Actually, I have a second one of these things, and it looks like it might work better. The holes line up a little better for covering up the old stuff. I don't know, it seems like it's a little simpler to use. All right, use my handy box cutter to shave away at that nub there. Let's see if that works better. Oh yeah. And I forget this one. This one doesn't even sit flush with the boat. The angle is too big. So I got this that I'm also gonna put in the other holes I already did. This might get a little messy. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Now she just needs to be wired. She's good to go. All right, there's no going back from this. Gotta put the throttle on. Measure twice. Dusty. All right, here we go, into the wood. So at least it drilled through. Hopefully it fits. Still got to get out this stupid bolt. All right, moment of truth. Will that work? That fits, kind of. At least I know it's gonna fit. I gotta get the bracket holes figured out. All right, so I'm just gonna wing it. Hopefully it works out. Don't have to be close enough. Okay, I cannot stress how freaking awful it was to get these 3 screws actually in there. As you can tell, the sun is setting. That's how long I've been working on this. So I finally got the bracket on there. That was the biggest pain in the butt, unnecessary pain in the butt that I've dealt with this entire project. Like, that was awful. But it's done now. Hopefully it works. Okay, it all seems to be working. Okay, sweet. There we go. All right. Woo!